Hey, what's up, guys? And today I'm going to be filming this model right here. So I'm gonna go right into the video. So let's get started. So let's just start the video and let's go to articulations. So the action, the head is really good. And yeah, so arms, they move good, but they don't have movement to like this part right here, and you can take out the parts too. And the legs, oh, they have tail too. And the legs, very good. And this is a very cool creature. I'm the one that made it, so I named him Zagon. So his tail can move really good, and his tail can go like this. And yeah, you can take out the head right here. It pretty looks cool. And yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.